What's up, everybody? Jalen, TheCreator here. So, part 2 to the New Jersey Snowstorm vlog. I figured I'd give you guys a basic hotel room tour, as I didn't do it yet. So, just go outside real quick. So you come in. Right, when you're right here, you got this little desk. You can set your PC at or whatever you want. Got a pull-out couch actually. A little tea table, chair right there. Got my Xbox here, like I said before. Hooked up, playing a little bit of Star Wars Battlefront. My games, playing a little bit of Call of Duty earlier too. I'm getting good at it. All our luggage and stuff. So come over here. You have this little corridor right here. This is a door. So open that up, and you have your half bathroom. There's a sink, switches right there. And boom. And then bedroom right here. Then here's the bathroom. Switch right here. Don't know why it's outside, but it's the bathroom. That painting. Shower. Oh, there's my soap. Oh, my socks. And yeah. Alright, so basically we're gonna start off this day by playing some games. Today I'm going to my mother's house. That's one of the weekends I go, so expect some live streams. There might be some live streams, I'm not sure. Might be some live streams this weekend, today, tomorrow, Sunday. We'll see, but just be on the lookout for those. And, yeah, let's go. And we're out of here. Let's do this. So, this video turned into something different. Turned into a New York vlog. Going to see my brother in New York. Gonna be there all weekend, right, Mom?
Yes, Dad.
Look, Mom, look to your left.
Man, I didn't set that. That's my left.
Yeah, look at your. I know you see that sunset, Mom.
Oh. Yeah, it's very beautiful. Can you see it?
Just might cry.
This is why you cry.
How many miles is it to New York?
It is 178 miles, 3 hours and 41 minutes.
Say hi. You said what, Mom?
It's 3 hours and 41 minutes, 45 minutes to New York, and it's 178 miles.
Wow.
Actually, it's 191 miles.
What the heck? 191 miles.
Yeah, for sure.
On the road. You know, got some. She came prepared with some snacks and stuff.
The provisions, man. You know how I do.
Oh man, you can't see any of that. Some chips back here, some granola bars, some water. Even though you can't see it, but it's back here. All that good stuff.
So, 1 mile will stop at the rest station so you can handle your business.
You said 1 mile?
Yeah.
Alright. What?
To put the trash out.
What?
The
Oh.
trash is in the back. Take that bag out and put it right there.
Alright. Where is it? We're at the service center, guys. It's the first stop. But... Mom, where is it?
It's in the back seat.
Oh. Just came out.
I'm killing bugs. Hang on to my coat. I'm killing bugs.
Okay. Honey, I got the heat on.
Can't see nothing, bro. This camera is garbage, yo.
Move your hands so we can hurry up.
Onto the roof.
1, 2, 3.
Oh.
What's going on?
Somebody's going to go
Mom,
on.
that laugh.
That was my switch over.
It is actually dark for no reason.
Because it's nighttime.
dark.
It's nighttime.
But my camera can't handle it.
But imagine if you was in the desert.
Oh.
The desert?
$1.50, people. $1.50.
I'm happy he's not the Mexican. Because I have been paying for everything. I don't even have my wallet with me. I'm going to die.
Wait a second.
Huh?
Mom, I didn't even bring my wallet with me. I'm not gonna survive.
I know.
Nuts.
Is that everything?
Alright, guys, so we finally got to the hotel. It's the Comfort Inn we're at. Looking pretty crispy in here. Love, what you doing? Let's see the room. Alright, guys. Walking up to the room. We just went back outside to get something from the car. But going up these stairs. Oh, what are you doing? Let's go. It's a long hallway. Go all the way down. We're not all the way down there, but... Alright. Key card.
Business card.
Oh, wait.
Alright.
Oh, that's how that works. Boom, man, pal.
That's the baby. That's the baby.
Yeah.
Jesus. Mom, I need your spray when you're done. I need you. Ooh, sorry, love. That's the room, guys. I'm gonna see if I can hook up this Xbox.